How to transfer ownership of Google Drive file. The transfer ownership feature for the Google Drive file is only supported for certain Google Workspace and personal Google accounts. And if you want to check it, or if you want to transfer ownership, you want to simply tap on Drive over here to open it. After that, you want to simply select the file that you want to share over here. Tap on three dots over here. And by doing so, you'd be able to find an option called transfer ownership over here if that option is available for your account. If that is not available over here, you'd be able to make available for everyone as well. You want to simply tap on manage access. Here you want to simply tap on change over here, and if you select it to anyone with the link over here, anyone with the link of this file will be able to access it. If you want to change your ownership, you can simply tap on this ownership option if that feature is available, and you'll be able to change it as well. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.